Alright, in this video I'm going to show you the types of posts and how to make posts and schedule posts in FB Auto Posts. It's very, very simple to use. Now the first thing you're going to do after you've configured your plugin is to add pages. Now to add a page, it's as simple as going to your page, going up into the URL bar, copying and pasting the URL into the box. As you can see, the URL is the Facebook/pages/whatever it is. And if you have a vanity URL on your fan page, that's fine too. Just copy it and paste it into the box, then click add. Now once you've done that, your page is now added. As you can see, FB Auto Post, the page ID, and then it has an open button here. So if you want to see what the page is, you can go right to the page just by clicking that button. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to add a simple text post. Now, if you have more than one page installed, then you're going to have a list in the drop down here of all the pages that you have installed. So obviously, I only have one, so I'm going to choose that, and then I'm going to put in a text post. I'm going to put "This is a demo test post." Okay, then I'm going to click save. It's that simple. I'm going to go to the post list, and you're going to see your post here. Now if it is a URL, the URL is going to be here. If it's scheduled, it's going to have the schedule date here. If you've added an image, it's going to have the image name here, and then the type of it is a text. So I'm just going to click post now. Now once I've done that, it has posted to Facebook. Now if we go over to Facebook and we refresh the page, you'll see that the demo test post is there. Now I'm going to show you the next type of post. So we're going to post an image to Facebook. So I'm going to go to add post. I'm going to select image from the drop down. I'm going to put "This is a cool image." Then I'm going to choose an image from a file. So I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to choose the Black Friday logo. I'm going to save that. Then I'm going to go to my post list and I am going to post now. When I go back to Facebook, if I hit refresh, you can see that the image is now up there. This is a cool image and it's got the post. Now let's do a video. So we're going to add a video. I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm just going to copy this link here. So I'm going to go to the share. I'm going to grab the link. I'm going to copy this link. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to click add post. Select your page, select URL, and I'm going to put "check out this cool video." Okay? And then I'm going to put in the add meta URL. So you can put any meta URL in here that you want and it will post to your Facebook fan page. So I'm going to paste in the YouTube link there. Then I'm going to hit save. Then I'm going to go to my post list, and as you can see, check out this cool video. It's got the URL to YouTube, and the type is URL. I'm going to post now. Now when I go back to Facebook, if I hit refresh, you'll see that the video is there. Check out this cool video, and it is all up and running. Now the next thing that you can do with this is you can take all of those individual posts and you can schedule them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same post. This is a spelling mistake. Is a cool image that I schedule. Okay, now I'm going to select the image again. And then I'm going to schedule it. Now, one thing with Facebook, and it's a Facebook rule, is if you schedule a post, it has to be at least 10 minutes into the future. So you can't schedule a post to go out in 2 minutes, okay? So it has to be at least 10 minutes into the future. Now, to schedule your post, you're just going to click on the calendar, and that's going to bring up the date. So you're going to select the date. So if I wanted to go out tomorrow, Black Friday, and I'm going to select the time. So say I wanted to go out right at midnight. So right at midnight, as soon as Black Friday starts, I want this post to go out. So I just select all zeros, that's midnight, and then I'm going to save it. Now once I save it, I'm going to go to the post list again, and you can see that the post content is, this is a cool image that I scheduled. It has the image name, and then it has the time that it's scheduled for. So it's scheduled at midnight for Black Friday, and it's an image. I'm going to click post. Now, once that is scheduled, if you want to see where your scheduled posts are, you're going to go to Edit Page and then click Activity Log. and then that's going to show you that your posts are scheduled. So as you can see, my post is scheduled. There's the post. Here's a cool image that I scheduled. There's the image, and then there's when it's going to go out, Friday, November 29th at midnight. So that's going to automatically post at midnight. Now, one of the cool things with Facebook too is when one of your scheduled posts gets posted, Facebook actually sends you a notification. Let me see if I have a notification here. So here's a test one that I did. Your scheduled post for FB Auto Post published, just testing the light version. So I was just testing the light version, and it told me that that scheduled post had posted. So when your post posts, it will show that it was posted. Now, if you post something and you realize that you don't want it to be posted anymore, as you can see, I've scheduled some posts here via the bulk update, which I'll show you next. Now, if I don't want that to schedule, I can just delete the post. And if I want it to publish, then I can just click Publish It Now from the drop down. Okay? I can also reschedule the post, so I can click here and I can change the time. So I can reschedule the post to go out at 12:30 and then reschedule. And as you can see, if I hit refresh, the post is rescheduled to go out at 12:30. Now I'm just going to delete these posts here to show you how easy it is to delete a scheduled post. Because in the next example, I'm going to show you the bulk posting. So the bulk posting is also very easy to do. If you go to bulk posting, the first thing you're going to do is down here, there's a sample CSV. The way you upload your bulk posts is through a CSV file, and you can put as many posts as you want to put. So if you wanted to post to an affiliate fan page where you are posting cool information that you already know, and affiliate links that you already have, you can do that simply by using the bulk posting. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download the sample CSV. So once you do that, I'm going to save that on the desktop. And then you open it up. So let's take a look at what the CSV looks like. So here's the CSV. Now it's very, very simple to set this up. If you look here, let me open these up a bit here. So it's already pre-populated with some samples, so you know what to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in the type. So you're going to put in if it's a URL, if it's a text, or if it's an image. Then for the content, you're going to put whatever the content, whatever the image is. So if you've uploaded images to WordPress, you're just going to take that URL and you're going to paste it in here. And then for the text, that is going to be the text of the post. So as you can see, it just pre-populates with 5 URLs, and then it just says my text. But I'm going to show you what happens when you upload that. So just say that this was 5 regular posts, okay? So you're going to select the page that you want to post it to, put in the number of posts, which is 5, and then you're going to select the time of your first post. So like I said, that has to be 10 minutes into the future if you're scheduling it. So I'm going to also put this to go out at midnight of Black Friday. So right at the start of Black Friday. And I want the time between each post to be 12 hours. So I want to put out 2 posts a day. So I'm going to set this to 4 is the maximum posts a day, just in case 2 posts might overlap because they go out right at midnight. Then I'm going to upload a file. Now the file that I'm going to upload is the CSV that I've included all of my posts in. When you do that, you're going to see that the file was uploaded at this time. Then you're going to click Generate. Now what's going to happen is it's going to suck all of those posts out of that CSV, and you're going to be able to see them all here. Okay? Now if you want to change any of the text here, you can change the sample text. So you can change the sample text to whatever you want. Okay? Now once you're satisfied with what you want to set up and what you want to schedule, you're going to click Post All. Now once you've clicked Post All, you're going to see them start to disappear. Now that's them being scheduled to Facebook, and then you're going to see a progress bar, and as the progress bar gets closer to the end, then your posts are getting posted. Now one thing is very important is as your bulk posts are being uploaded to Facebook, do not close the window until this says success, all posts are done. And then you can go back, and that'll take you back to the start page. Now, if we go back to Facebook and we look at our scheduled posts again, you'll see that those 5 scheduled posts are back up and ready to go. So you'll notice the first one goes out at midnight, which is what I set it for. The next one goes out at noon. The following one goes out at midnight the next day. Then the next one goes out at noon, and so on and so forth every 12 hours. Now you can set that, like I said, to whatever you want. Now the final automatic posting to Facebook, if you have the Pro Edition or the Developers Edition, is through the RSS post. So what you do is you put in your RSS URL here, and then you're going to pick your RSS here. So if you have more than one, you're going to have them all here, so you can pick them from here. And then you're going to select the page you want it to go to, and then the time to check the post. So if you wanted to check for posts on your blog every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 60 minutes, I don't know how often you post to your blog, but you want it to search for blogs. So if you have, say, 10 RSS feeds that you want to search from, then you can have it searching and see when somebody posted, and it'll take those posts and it'll post them right to your Facebook fan page. So FB Auto Post is absolutely amazing. I'm glad you bought it. You're going to love it, especially if you have more than one fan page. If you have more than 10 fan pages, you want to go beyond the light version, you'll want to go to the Pro version. And if you're handling pages for other people, you want to go to the developer version. This is going to make your life so much easier if you're a social media manager or if you're managing more than one Facebook fan page, because engagement is the name of the game. And FB Auto Post helps you do that. Thanks for watching the videos. Enjoy the plugin, and I will see you on the inside of the members area.